Hello guys, happy new year to you all. How you guys doing? So this will be my first video for the year 2026. Today I'll be making soap. You can remember I did soap some months ago, and that soap I did lasted for me so much, lasted 6 months in my house. I like doing soap because whenever I don't have that soap in my house and I buy this liquid soap, the thing finish so fast. My children will just be using the soap as if it's water. It does not last in my house. One of these soap just lasts 1 week in my house, not go up to 1 week. They don't know how to manage soap, so I decided to be making soap. And this soap that I'm making is so much in my house. It lasts and it's good for washing dishes and pots. It's good for washing dishes and pots. So the ingredients I'm using for this soap is 5 liters of oil, already used oil, 2 liters of water, and 1 liter of soda and soap. I'll be using liquid soap and detergent. This time around I'll be using liquid soap and detergent. You can use any detergent of your choice. And also I'll be using scent. I want to add a little scent to this soap this time around. I'll be adding little scent to it. So right now, let's dive into the video. The first thing I'll be adding is water, the 2 liters of water. So you have your water to it. Again is our soda. Be careful of the soda. Be careful of it. This is the soda. You stir very well like this. Stir very well. It's very arch. I'll be filtering the oil. So you stir very well. Stir very well. You stir very well. I'll be changing this. I want to use machine. But normally, if you are stirring it with this stick, you stir it for 1 hour. Because I don't want to stay here for a whole 1 hour, I'll be using a machine to stir it. I will be stirring something for this one to stir. Right now we're adding my liquid soap to it. So you're adding, you are stirring.
added detergent to it, Omo. So I'll continue stirring. You can see the oil is still floating up. The reason is because I've not mixed it very well. I was using the machine, but the machine is heavy for me. It's heavy for my hand, so I have to go back to the stick turning so that it will mix very well. The machine is too heavy for my hand, but I'll still go back to the machine. For my soap not to spoil, I have to drop the machine first and use the stick and turn it very well so that all the oil will mix together with the soap. It will disappear. So that is what I'm doing now. Because if I don't do it like this, I might end up spoiling my soap. You see, it's getting better. It's getting better. As you can see, it's getting better. As you can see, it's getting better. The oil have disappeared. So I still need to turn it very well. And it's getting thick. It's getting thicker. Yeah, our soap is soaping. It's getting better. The oil have disappeared, but I will still keep turning it. And it's getting thicker. Our soap is soaping. Our soap is soaping. But I'll still keep on stirring it. It's very thick now. Look at it. It's very thick. But I'll still keep on stirring it so that everything will mix very well. So right now, I'll be adding my scent to it. I don't want the soap. Not that the soap is smelling oil. No. It's smelling like a soap. It's scenting. Anybody that is passing will know that they are doing soap here. The soap is already thick. The soap is scenty. Everywhere here is scenty with this soap. And anybody that is passing will know that they are doing soap here. So right now I'll be adding the scent to it. I just want to add little to it so that it will look like Money Fresh. So the soap is almost ready. So as you can see, the soap is already thick. It's almost ready. Everywhere here is filled with the soap scent. So right now I'll be adding my scent to it. I'll just add little to it. This is what I use in cleaning my house. I just add little scent to it. Very little or none. Just to have that scent of Money Fresh in it. So I'll keep on stirring. Very soon I'll be pouring it into. So very soon I'll be turning it into a bowl. I'll turn it into those water bowl. So it's already thick. I still want to turn it because today's own. Sorry. Oi? Uh-huh. So you can hear this sand, eh? See, look at it. Look at my soap. My soap is ready. You can hear the sand. You can hear the sand. Okay, this one now will last me for like 6 months again, but I'll be giving Uche, we're giving my landlord, I'll be giving one of my friends they call Ed now, I'll be giving my other friend that they call Lucy, and I'll be taking some to the church too. But still, it will last me 6 months. It will last me 6 months. You see it? You see the way it's dripping? When it drip like this, it means that it's okay. Look at it. You see it? It's dripping. Oh, my soap is ready. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Look at my soap. Wow. See it? Very thick. So how do you know your soap is ready? When you raise it up like this and it's dripping. You see, my soap is dripping. The soap is soaping. Look at it. It's dripping. Wow, I'm so glad that this soap came out very nice, very fine, very beautiful. See, look at it. Even to turn itself, I'm finding it difficult. It's so thick now. You see it? It's so thick now, just as if I'm doing bowl. No, but it's not bowl. It's soap. Look at it. See the way it's dripping. This signifies the soap is ready. So that is it for today. So right now we're putting it in a bowl where I will be using it. You can hear that sound. You can hear that sound. This means our soap is ready. Okay. So this is where I'll be pouring all the soap. So this is where I'll be pouring the soap. As you can see, our soap is ready. It's ready. See, that's it. See. It's ready. It's very thick. Mm-hmm. So this is the soap. It came out so nice. So I'll allow it to dry for like 2 to 3 days. It will dry and be ready for use. So like this video, subscribe, follow my page on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Ciao ciao.